You're here. How are you doing? So let's talk about project management today. Have you ever noticed when you tell someone you're a project manager, they immediately think your day is filled with meetings, deadlines, reports, and chasing people here and there for updates? They are not entirely wrong. But what I can say, that's only a tiny part of what the job does. So let me show you what project management really looks like. One, on the left side of, see what most people think project management is. One, tasks. They think creating to-do lists, assigning work, checking off completed activities is important. Yes, absolutely it is. But that's just execution. So the next is they think we deal with deadlines. Many people think a project manager only job is reminding people or everyone on the group something is due tomorrow. While managing schedules matters, simply meetings, deadlines, that doesn't mean the project has succeeded. And finally, it's about reports. They think the project manager is all about making status reports, progress reports, dashboards, name them. These help communication, yes, but they don't actually make a project successful on their own. Now, let's look at the right side of the modern project management, what he really does. Number one, project governance. Everything starts with governance. This means that defining how decisions are made and who has the authority, who approves changes, and how accountability is maintained. Without governance, projects quickly become chaotic. Then we have strategic value. Projects shouldn't exist to just deliver outputs. Every project starts with a contribution to the business goal. Whether it's increasing revenue, reducing costs, improving customer experience, or supporting growth, every project must create a business value. We have stakeholder alignment. Projects involve many different people who both impact the project, both negative and positive. Here we have customers, we have sponsors, you have executives, you have suppliers on board, you have your team members on the project. So project management is all about making sure that everyone is moving towards the same objective and goal. So even when their priorities are different, everyone carries a different priority, as I have named that. Then adaptive delivery. In the modern world, no project ever goes exactly as planned. Why? Requirements change, technology evolves, customers change their minds, and we know that a great project manager will adopt with the change. You keep the project moving forward, however much changes come through. So it's all about flexibility, not rigidity. I can say the next is looking at risks and uncertainties, because every project manager has uncertainties. Every project has uncertainties. You never deliver the goal as how it was meant to be. It is to identify those risks early, assess the impact, and prepare responses on how you can make them not to become problems. So risk management and being proactive on the team is one of the major quality a project manager holds. We have resource capacity. You're managing people, you're managing time, you're managing budget, you're managing equipment, you're managing skills. So a project manager constantly balances these resources to ensure the team isn't overloaded while still delivering results. I think that is more important. So we have digital and data. I'm a data analyst. Today's project managers don't rely on gut feelings. You have to have the dashboards. You have to do the analytics. You have to have real-time reporting. You have to make automations. In the AI world, automation is very important. So any digital tool to make informed decision is paramount. Data-driven management is becoming a competitive advantage. You can't do without it. Then I can say the next is sustainability. So in modern projects, we don't just ask, what can we deliver? Or can we deliver this? You also ask questions like, should we deliver this in the way that is environmentally, socially, or economically sustainable? Long-term thinking is now part of project success. You don't deliver things to deliver objectives to today and tomorrow they can no longer use them. So we have enabled insights. That's where we find artificial intelligence is transforming project management. Why? That AI can now predict delays. It can predict and identify risks. It can generate reports. Mark that. It can summarize meetings. We no longer do a pen and paper writing of minutes. It can even support your planning. Even a lot of documentation. So it will help you make faster and smarter decisions as a project manager. So what we know that AI will not replace project managers, but project managers who use AI will certainly have to replace those ones. That's the advantage you have to carry. Benefit realization. And finally, so perhaps the most important layer here is benefit realization. Finishing a project doesn't mean that you have automatically succeeded. We should know that as project managers. Success is measured by the value delivered after implementation. Did revenue increase? Yes or no? Did costs reduce? Yes or no? Did customer satisfaction improve or no? That's what matters. Did the organization achieve its objectives? That's what truly matters. So the next time someone says project management is about meetings, tasks, deadlines, and reports, as how it was, remember this. Those are simply visible activities. Real project management is about governance, strategy, people, sustainability, AI, and ultimately delivering measurable business value. That's what project management really is. So if you found this helpful, follow Subtech Online for more practical insights like these: PM, AI, data analytics, technology, and data analytics, technology, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye. You're still around. We meet in the next video.